Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Back to Reality. Today we are going to review LEVOIT Air Humidifier. Let's see the specs. How does it look? Mini size, small, compact, good for the bedroom. You're gonna love it. I really like it. I used for last night. It's really amazing for the one bedroom. I mean, it's good for the master bedroom too. So let's see the listing before we are going to, taste the product. We see on the Amazon LEVOIT tap full humidifier for bedroom 2.5 tank liter. For large room, easy to fill and clean. Quiet cool mist air humidifier for home, baby, nursery and plants. Auto shut off and BPA free for safety 25 hours. It has in white color and the black color too. Look wise, I can say it's beautiful. $29.99. You can go for this one. It's really amazing. You can easily top full with a small mug or glass of water. 2.5 liter, saving 76% of your refill time. That's really helpful. Trust me, I had other purifiers like they take a little bit of time to fill, clean and stuff like that. All night comfort, 25 hours, long run time, 2.5 liters, fewer refills. That's really good. Superior mist height, even humidifier. We're gonna see that one. Yep, you can see all the details. I'm gonna drop the link if you guys interested in buying for your bedroom. Trust me, this is a really nice option. Personally, I used for last night. It's really amazing. Let's see. Let's rock and roll now to the product. So the product wise is very small, beautiful. Look wise beautiful. Good for the white color, good for the black color too. It's up to you. If you see inside, that's very nice. Easy to install, easy to refill. Trust me. Open the lid, fill the water. Open the lid, just fill the water. You're good to go. And one more thing I like about this thing, you can change the direction where you most want the humidifier to use in your room. I like that one. You have speed, and this is the roller for the on and off, and you have the max up to max. Let's see, I already put some water and I plugged in. Let's turn on. Here you go. So you can see it. That's the very low. If I go more, that's the blast. You see? Wow. It's a small, beautiful humidifier for your bedroom. Trust me, this is the right choice. I had the other one, the big ones. Compared to that one and this one, at this size of humidifier, this speed of, look at it. Look at the power. Even the quality wise is very nice. I can see the quality is very nice, easy to operate, easy to use, easy to clean. This is the best option for your bedroom, I can say. But it's all by my choice, my opinion. In my opinion, if you guys want to give a shot, try this one. You can have this one in Amazon. I'm gonna drop the link. Go for it. Winter is coming. Good for the babies, good for your parents, good for you. Nice and clean, moisture. Mamma mia, it's gonna be amazing, trust me. Alright. You can slow the speed. If you put like standard, like in the medium speed, it's good for the whole night. And if you woke up at the night to drink a water, to do something, you can just refill the bottle, and good for go. You don't have to run the chores to just fill the water, clean the stuff like this. Trust me, it's very compact, very beautiful, good quality, good pricing. What else you want? This one, right? Go for it. Yep. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Box to Reality. See you at the next video.